Hello everyone, today I'm going to do a review about a couple of Poprace models. You can see here on the right I've got some Aston Martins, some Nismos and some Porsches, and we're going to start with the Aston Martins. Starting with the Aston Martin Valkyrie in a 1/64 scale, of course, from the brand Poprace. Here we have the package. We can see it's officially licensed by Poprace. That is what we like. Some information, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Here again, officially licensed. Let's take the plastic off. Box package, that is what I like. Car is very well protected, good for the environment. Well, a little bit better because you can use the package after you opened it. So here we got the model. Lanced front lights. I believe these things here are the camera side mirrors. Carbon fiber looking side here. Very good rolling wheels, nice rims. Metal base, yep. Good profile on the tires, and the tires in the back are wider than the ones in the front. Lanced rear lights, also the spoiler has carbon fiber looking, and also here on top. Now, can we see the interior? Yes, we can. Looks authentic to me. Now, I'm not an expert of this car. Oh, you can sit with two people inside. Never seen it in real life, but I hope I will someday because it looks quite spectacular. Okay, let's go to the next one. And that is the Aston Martin GTR. I like this one a little bit more than the Valkyrie, but that's just my taste. Okay, let's have a look at the package again, officially licensed, and here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Now seriously, I'm not 100% sure, but I think this is a chase. This is not the same green as on the package. It should be green, and it is some sort of bare metal look. So I think it's a chase. Holy smoke. To be honest, I've never seen a Poprace chase. Is it a chase? Can someone confirm it in the comments? Cool. I think it is a chase. It has to be a chase. Or I'm colorblind. That can also be the chase. I was not expecting that. And I have to say, it looks very good for a chase. I'm a fan of bare metal look chases. Yeah, now also have to order the regular version. Slick tires, by the way. I'm a little bit flabbergasted by this. Wow, awesome. Okay, let's have a look at the interior. Yeah, I love the hood, the opening intake, windscreen wiper in the middle of the glass, molded in the glass. Side mirrors are also carbon fiber looking. Plastic spoiler, carbon fiber looking with Aston Martin Racing. Is there something on the back? Yeah, same. Lanced lights here in the back. No, that looks painted. That is painted. But nothing wrong with that. It's an amazing looking car. And here we got the interior. Please focus. Hey, you were focusing. Yeah, nice steering wheel. Is it one bucket seat? Yep. And with a roll cage inside. Also very important to mention. Okay, yeah, I think it's a chase. I think it's supposed to be, it should be the same color as, whoop, as this one. Interesting. Okay, let's go to the next two Poprace cars. The GTR Nismo 400R. I already got a couple of these ones from Poprace. They are actually really good, and I believe they come with an opening part. Here we got some information. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Is it a licensed product? Well, I can't find anything on the package that says so. But we can see Poprace is active on social media. So if you have Instagram, Facebook, or a computer that is connected to the World Wide Web, you can go to Poprace. Okay, let's take this lady in red out of the package. Ooh, I like the white rim color combination with the red. Oh, I see this wheel needs a little bit of, yeah, easy. Oh, and then we also see the metal base with details and the silver exhaust tip. I like that. Good profile on the tires. Also something that I think it's important. Good profile. Oh, there we go. Very good rolling wheels. We got rubber side mirrors. I think I got some paint damage here. Looks like it. I'll have to check that later. Nismo license plate, big intercooler, lanced lights, and the orange lights, the pinkers are painted. Spoiler is made out of plastic. Do I have another paint issue right here? Yeah, looks like it. And here we also have landslide, and I believe we have an opening part right here. Switch to another camera mode so we can use the light. Fuel cap. And then we also have an opening part right here with a very cool looking engine. I like the color details right here, white, yellow. This is a metal looking color. This is a little bit of gold, of champagne orange. So a lot of different colors here in the engine. They could have done it with just black, but no, they choose different colors, and I like that. We got a right-hand steering. Okay, we switch to detail mode. Can we get it sharp? well, just a little bit. We see a lot of details here in the interior. Black details, no colored details. Good interior. Okay, then we're going to the purple version. Let's see if we can find some differences. It is the same car, different color. But you never know. So, same white rims. Yeah, purple color, also right-hand drive. And yes, also the same colors on the engine, which I totally understand. Yeah, very good looking details. That's what I like about nowadays. The technique is so much better. So they can make details like this, and also the opening part is very welcome. Also looks very good. An opening part gives it a little bit more reality. Yeah. Rims are also the same. Yeah. Okay. Okay, the last two. First, I'm going to put this back in the box. There we go. And we're starting with this Porsche Stinger 992 GTR. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Doesn't say anything about a license model, but I believe it's a license model. Not 100% sure. Ooh, beautiful color. Gold. I love it. That looks sick. Very good rolling wheels in the back and in the front. Silver sticker on the side mirror. Lanced lights. Yeah, I'm missing a license plate. It looks so cool. Should have a German license plate or something like that. Nice metal base, good profile on the tires. I believe the tires in the back are as wide as in the front. Okay, let's check the interior. It's a left-hand drive. And we have some color in the interior. I'm not sure if you can see it. Good steering wheel, but in the middle we have a silver detail. Yeah, here we can see it very good. I like that. Yeah, beautiful car. Okay, I got another one. Different color. Looks brown through my eyes. We're going to find out if it is brown. Yep, poop brown. It is. Oh, yo. I'm not sure what I have to think about this, but well, it's kind of cool color. I like the effect on the car. If I had the money to buy a Porsche, I would definitely not choose this color. We'll also not go for the gold. Hey, the cool thing is they both have different rims. Different rims. Same rubber tires. And no silver exhaust piece here in the back, so I think it should be black. Black is the right color for these colored Stinger Porsches. And the lens light look a little bit matte. And does the brown, yeah, brown one also has a silver detail in the middle. Yep, there it is. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please let me know in the comments your favorite, and please can you tell me if this is a chase. Don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that, and have a very nice day. Bye.